In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add normalized quantitative qualitative estimation in TradingView Pro. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll know exactly where to click, what to look for, and how to make sure you're using this indicator inside a Pro account so you can get the most out of your charts. First, make sure you're logged into your TradingView account and you've got a chart open. It can be any market or time frame. The process is always the same. Once you're on your chart, move your mouse to the top of the screen and look for the indicators button. It's usually near the center or slightly to the left, labeled Indicators or Indicators and Strategies. Go ahead and click that. This opens up the main indicator window where you can access all of TradingView's built-in tools, as well as community scripts and anything you've saved as a favorite. When that window pops up, you'll see a search box at the top. This is the fastest way to find what you're looking for, especially if you know the name of the indicator in advance. Click directly into that search box so your cursor is active there. Now type in Normalized Quantitative Qualitative Estimation. Make sure you spell it correctly or paste it in if you have it saved somewhere, because even a small typo can make it harder to find. As you type, TradingView will automatically filter the results below. You should start seeing matching indicators appear in the list. Take a second to confirm that the name matches exactly what you're looking for. Once you see Normalized Quantitative Qualitative Estimation in the results, click on it once. TradingView will immediately add it to your active chart, usually either in a separate panel below the price or overlaid, depending on how the script is designed. Give the chart a moment to update and then look for the new indicator. You can hover over its title on the left side of the panel to access settings. From there, you can fine-tune inputs, colors, and visual style to match the rest of your layout. Adjusting these settings can make the indicator easier to read and more aligned with your personal trading workflow. If you want to unlock all the pro features that make using this indicator smoother, make sure to use my TradingView Pro affiliate link in the description of this video. That link will take you directly to TradingView's Pro sign-up page, where you can upgrade your account and fully take advantage of additional charts, alerts, and layouts while using normalized quantitative qualitative estimation.